Andrew Chan and Myuran Sukumaran, barely out of their teens when they were arrested in Bali and sentenced to death. They were convicted on charges of attempting to smuggle 8.3 kilograms of heroin to Australia. Although they weren't carrying the drugs, they were widely believed to have orchestrated the plan. But after almost a decade behind bars, they say they're changed men.
And Lord, nothing happens without you even not seeing it happen.
Friends and relatives of Andrew Chan, seen here leading a prayer session in prison, say he's now a devout Christian who has helped many of his fellow inmates find God. While Myuran Sukumaran has taken up painting and regularly organizes art classes for other prisoners. The families of both men say they just want their sons to have a second chance.
We beg for mercy for our sons. We beg you to spare our sons' lives. We beg you, please don't kill our son.
But Indonesia says drug traffickers know the rules in this country and cannot escape the consequences. Here at Indonesia's National Narcotics Agency, officials say between 40 to 50 Indonesians die every single day because of drug use. While those figures are impossible to verify, the government regularly uses them to justify executions.
Showing off the spoils of yet another drug raid. Indonesia has declared a war on drugs and says the country is in a national emergency. It believes killing drug traffickers is the only way to solve this problem.
If someone who is due to be executed says, "I've changed, I'm a good person now," that's fine. But then two more say that, and then another two, and it keeps on going like that. That's why we have to respect a court's decision made by a sovereign country, whether you're an Indonesian or a foreigner.
But that's no comfort for the families of the two men facing imminent death. They've spent the last week visiting government officials and human rights activists begging for their children's lives. So far, the authorities have been unmoved by their appeals for clemency. Karishma Vaswani, BBC News, Jakarta.